Hi there. So I just want to take some time to show you how it works. So I've created this spreadsheet over here. So once we load that spreadsheet, then you can see once it finishes loading, you can see a button over here. It appears automatically, and then you can click on this button. So because this is the first time I'm going to click on the button, it is going to ask me for an authorization. So I can just hit on continue and select the account from which you want to read the CSV files. So the CSV file should be appearing on this account, and then just click on allow. Once you have granted the authorization, the script has access to your Gmail account to read, and also I'll show you how it looks. So what I've done is to read label name. This is the name of the label that you want to read from Gmail. So if you want to change that, you can change it over here. Then CSV file name is like the name of the file. You like what is the name of the file that it will store in the Google Drive, right? So it will store the CSV file in Google Drive, and it wants to know the name of the file that is being stored in the Google Drive. This is the folder ID. So folder ID is like, say for example, I want to save the CSVs over here. So I can just copy this part after the slash, and this is the folder ID. So I put the folder ID there, and sheet name is sheet 1. That means that the data will be populated in sheet 1. So let me, like, if you want to populate it in sheet 3, then you can just copy this name over here. So now it will populate in sheet 3. Okay. Also I want to show you, say for example, I want to populate this email. So this email must be the unread email, and it also must be marked with this label, and it should be like the latest email. So the latest email in the test, so for example, if I click on that, so what the script is doing is it is reading the latest email, and it is not reading the other emails. It is just reading the latest email, and if this email has a CSV attachment, then it will process that CSV attachment. So the conditions are that the email should be the latest email, and it should be unread. Okay, so I've put this as unread, and this is the latest email in this label. So I execute this script now, and I'll show you how I execute this script. I just click on this button, so the script is running, and you see it is automatically populating the data in sheet 3, and also it automatically creates a full file, CSV file over here with the name that we chose, latest files.csv, and you can see that this file has the contents of the email, and also this email, like if I refresh, they've marked it as read. So the next time you run, it will not fetch data from this email. I hope that makes sense. Please let me know how that sounds. Thanks.